All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. And to all the first-time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back, guys. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. The chart analysis, I make them out of gratitude. The second half of the video is where the money's at, and all I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time where we talk about the home runs that we hit over at the Discord. And if that's something that interests you, you can check out the links down below, and as well as the fact that I have a ticker symbol for you guys. I have a ticker symbol so that you can open up your opportunities to newer horizons, newer, expansions, just however you want to call it, right? But just having more than just one ticker symbol that you're probably looking at. I can't blame you for wanting to leave right after the chart analysis, especially if you're invested in Zoometica or you're planning to, and this is a stock that's focused in on your watch list or your portfolio. But guys, there's way more ticker symbols out there than just ZOM Stock, Zomedica Corp. But I want you guys to be aware of this, right? A lot of people overlook it, and I don't want you guys to be one of those that are overlooking it when we've done it plenty of times, just like ChargePoint when we caught it at $20 and it ran up to 32, just like Pinduoduo when we caught it at 124 and it ran to 147. Just like we did last week with Skills, we caught it at 14, 12 as it was dropping, and it ran up all the way up to $19, right? In just a matter of a day. So there's always new opportunities. I'm not guaranteeing that every single time, but the opportunities are there, and I don't want you guys to miss it. So ZOM Stock, Zomedica Corp is sitting sideways. If this continues to pull downwards, because now we are in bearish territory, it's going to lose leverage and control here from the bulls, guys. Now, the one of the most important thing that I like right now is that it's above $1, right? I've said that before. Staying above $1 is strength and very vital for this stock. So what's our support based off today's price action? And that's 104. If it gets broken through, your next point of reference would be $1, guys. It's an informal support level, but I like to use it because it lets us know where the strength is. As long as it stays above $1, there's a chance. So keep that in mind. How does this react between 104 and $1 to see if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or the bears tear this one down even further? Now, the 50-day moving average is 111. If that gets broken through, this could be on its way up to newer highs, new resistance levels, and it ends up back in bullish territory. Very important as well. So our resistance level above that would be 113. And beyond that would be right here at this high before the collapse, right? Before this fell, all the way up here at 117 to watch carefully and see how the stock is doing, as well as you can use the same resistance level I mentioned yesterday at 115. Any of those above 113 are good to watch as well to see if this is significantly pulling away from the 50-day moving average at 111. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, guys, so they can receive the insight as well. And guys, don't forget to click on the like button. It helps out the YouTube channel, and I appreciate it very much because it lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. All I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. Today's home run was 20+% on the day, as well as the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I want you guys to add to your watch list today is a lot slower when it moves, but it's a ticker symbol that if inflation really is on its way, it's going to perform pretty well, or at least not get hit as hard as the overall market for many different reasons. So stay tuned for that. We're going to talk about it in just a moment. I talked about it 2 weeks ago over at the Patreon, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run of the day that gave us 15 to 25% at its high, and it gave us quick, within minutes, 10 to 15% as the bell opened, guys. So let's go ahead and look at this one. It's ADMA, and I mentioned it early in the morning. We mentioned also AKTX. This one gave us about 5% at its best moment, but ADMA, we talked about it when it was sitting at 224. It had received FDA approval, and it was going to get investors' attention or not. That's what we were looking for. And we literally caught it on the dip after this run, guys. And as it was pulling downwards, it hit 224, kind of consolidated before it took off, guys. So if this is something that interests you and you want to become part of the community, we're 130 plus members already, you're more than welcome to join us over at the Discord. The link is down below in the description. And we're all a community collectively of investors looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. So this stock, as the bell was coming, it was already running and it took off. So just in a matter of minutes since I mentioned it, all the way towards that peak right here, that right there gave us 10% plus, pulled back right to 237. If you had a stop loss and you caught it anywhere below, you know, where the market opened or around close to when I mentioned it or consolidation, and your stop loss did not execute, you can keep on riding it to see what's going on, watching it closely, and it took off to a high here of 263, giving a return of 20 to 25% from when I mentioned it, guys. So opportunities like these, we try to aim for every single day. We usually look for 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a good day, and 20% plus is a home run, guys. This was another home run today, and you could see these are stocks that we get in, we get out, we ride the momentum, and go ahead and maximize profits and minimize losses. Once again, if you're interested, we look forward to having you join us. Now, the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list is GOLD, Barrick Gold Corporation, guys. And in inflationary pressures, this type of stock tends to do well. It's actually pulling back right now. And if we want to really pay close attention, what we want to look for is consolidation or an extra pullback for some weakness before the next rebound. And if inflationary pressures do come to risen or start rising for real as expected for the next coming weeks and months, this type of stock tends to do well because it's in correlation, obviously, to gold, right? And not only that, but just minerals and precious metals overall. So this company has a pretty good balance sheet and they're a pretty good company overall, but the stock has been falling for some time, and its recent low was $18 back in March, and $21 is just $3 above it. It is a slow mover, but this type of stock, like I said, if inflation does come, tends to do pretty well, or at least hold itself up and not get hit as hard as the other stocks. Now, that's not guaranteed, and I'm not saying that that's exactly how it's going to play out, but it's definitely a stock to watch. And anyways, overall, based off of analysis ratings, the fundamentals, and the company as a whole, the opportunity is there to the upside, especially if you do your research. But this is just one of those stocks you want to have close. And if you're not in it, at least you want to be watching it. So when inflation does start to hit, you're going to see the correlation indirectly or directly happening with this ticker symbol, and you'll understand better than what to probably do as an investor, making your own rational decisions based off of your due diligence. But definitely add this one, keep it on your watch list, and even if you don't even decide to take a position in it, which you don't have to, you can keep it close and use it as an indicator of where inflation is going and where the stock market is going and where this stock is going, guys. I'm not saying you can use it like an index. There's a lot of better other research tools, but it is one of those that it's good to have there just to watch what's going on. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.